Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm going to teach you guys how to use Nightcafe to create a AI generated art. So all you got to do is just type in what you want to be generated. I'm just going to click random because I'm not really good at thinking of random things, right? So I'm going to choose a style. You could pick any one of these styles. I'm going to click, let's see, cyberpunk. Nah, let's do heavenly, right? And we're going to click this one right here. Alright, click create. I want this to give me a notification. Cool. So now we wait. Alright, now we're running. So right now, the AI is generating a picture for us right here. As you can see, it's going to be a little blurry. And it's going to slowly grasp into the picture that it wants to become. Alright, look. We got a little bit of sun. We got a little somewhat of a city right here with the water, and then you got the sunset and a little sunshine, right? That's something. We're still at 43%. Let's see what happens. All right, we at 85%. As you can see, the city starts to pop out a little bit more. All right, now we're done. Let's view the creation. I could download, so let's download. Let's open up the JPEG. This is beautiful. Thank you guys for viewing. Make sure you share to your friends, like, comment, and share. Thank you.